Today I'm going to make a chicken korma cottage pie for Father's Day. I've got some oil and a knob of butter, some garlic with some ginger, and I'm going to saute that for a few seconds. Woo! You can see that my pot is pretty hot. I'm going to add some garam masala and my cheat ingredient. I'm adding a bit now and I'm going to add a little bit more later. So stir that. And now I've got my chicken, which is nicely cubed. We're not cooking the chicken completely. I just want it to be nicely browned, to be coated in the gorgeous flavors of the spices as well as the oil and the butter. Now it's so important to make sure that you season the chicken while it's still raw, because the flavor is a whole lot better if you do it like that. Now my chicken is nicely cooked. I'm going to transfer it into this pan. I'm going to add another knob of butter, a little bit more of the oil, not too much. Same ingredients I started off with, some garlic and some ginger, some curry powder, which is garam masala, korma paste. Now I'm going to add my onions to saute. And I'm adding a little bit of water, and the reason being is that I want to scrape off all the little bits on the side. Now next is my tomato paste. I love buying this one because it's a matter of just squeezing and no mess. Now I'm going to add my canned tomatoes, and this time I've chosen to get the cherry tomatoes, which are nice, dainty and pretty. All right, now next is a can of coconut cream. So this is going to sit for about 15 minutes and marry under very low heat. So I'm going to put my heat down and it's going to simmer away. And I'm now going to add some frozen peas. Yes, Miss relishes does use frozen peas. Mashed potatoes. Ta-da! Thank you, Keletso. Beautiful. Mash on top to make my cottage pie. Put it right in the center and not cover everything, because I've made this gorgeous curry. Why would we want to cover it? I'm going to grill this until the mash is golden brown. Now it's time to take out my chicken korma cottage pie. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Look at that. I love to serve my curries with some poppadams, and these ones have cumin seeds in them. They look gorgeous and the flavor is just so amazing. And there's this acha, my gosh, the jalapeno acha. If you haven't tried it, it's a must. And I've got some raita, which is some yogurt, some grated cucumbers. As you can see, I did it two ways, with some grated and some just chopped up. And I like to add some coconut for a bit of flavor. And also it goes very well because this has coconut in it. Beautiful spread, and it's time to dig in. Keletso can come and taste.
This korma is so delicious. You'd never think that was a quick cheat. Are you sure you're taking this home? Please. Please.
All right, now my chicken is nicely cooked. Did you see that one that jumped for cover? Let's take it out. It's like, yeah, I'm done, man.